the human-computer interaction paradigm is going to change. And so we will now start interacting with computers in 3 dimensions. That's the goal. So there are a lot of immersive technologies. We have the 3D printing, scanning, modeling. So you can build objects, whereas we used to design things into 2D on a screen. Now we can create 3D objects. And once you have a 3D model, there are different 3D technologies for printing those models. And basically it's going to disrupt how manufacturing occurs. We also have virtual reality. That is how we are perceiving things. So we're used to looking at pictures in 2 dimensions and video in 2 dimensions. Virtual reality adds the depth to it. It's amazing. It's Star Trek technology, and some is coming.
So how did you like the class?
It was really cool. I learned a lot. It's kind of cool seeing some new technology and how it's developed over the years, learning how to use it. And so, like, once we get older, it'll help us with our careers if we want to do. And it's a really cool experience and everything, especially with virtual reality in the other room. I can see people doing a lot of stuff with that. And 3D printing, you can make a lot of stuff. It's just limitless. Everything, all the new technology is just limitless. You can do everything.
What was your favorite part?
Maybe Oculus Rift. I could just turn around, look at the sun. I could look at any of the other planets, and it moved. Whenever it moved, it would move fully past the planets in a perfect view, and with all the rings and stuff, and all the space dust and all that stuff.
Can I ask you how you guys liked the class?
Can you tell her?
Good.
Tell her what.
I played on technology.
Did they let you use the 3D printer? Did you make anything?
Well, yeah.
Very cool. What did you think, Dad?
Very interesting. I've never experienced 3D printing, or knew what the background was and how to set it all up, and the interactions, applications, and interfaces, I guess.
Right.
So it's new experience to learn all that, and also the computer aided design. I've worked around a lot of engineers, but never understood. You never see the software products that they use and the applications, and again how it relates to 3D printing and all that. So it's very fascinating to see that, and how many software apps and things there are to do your own designs and come up with your own ideas. And so it's very creative and but very technical. Feels a part of the needs of society with all the things that we manufacture, all the things that we model for classrooms, for medical, whole 9 yards.
Okay.
Anything else?
Nope.
You give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs up. All right. How'd you like the class today?
Oh, the class was an awakening. It was a real awakening. I knew about some of this technology from some of the science fiction and some of the documentaries I've seen, but the hands-on part of it, I could see is going to be a real tool.
Good. What was your favorite part? Which of the courses?
Of course, taking the virtual reality tour through space.